Here's a seaside plant called Orache. It's a relative of lamb's quarter, has leaves, however, that look like arrows. Look at the point on one end and the 2 points on the side on the other end of each leaf. Similar to lamb's quarter, it has green flowers with some pink on the tips. And you eat the leaves, and at this point they are delicious. Sometimes Orache seems to be bitter, and it's a plant I haven't had that much experience with, so I still have to determine when the best seasons are for it. Probably good in the spring when it first comes up. A lot of times in the summer it's bitter. As we're filming this, it's the beginning of September, and the bitterness is gone. Might have to do with the location of the Orache too. I'm not sure. Either way, it's quite good at this point.
Here it is in its natural habitat again. It is so salty that you should not add any salt to a recipe where you're using it. If necessary, you can always add salt at the end, but that is very unlikely. Very, very good and healthful vegetable.